We're going to put in this trade recap here a little bit early today. We've got a couple of people I got to go meet here this afternoon. Basically, after a pretty dramatic rise overnight after the FOMC 50 basis point cut yesterday, market really took off overnight. We came in after a strong overnight. The Asia and London sessions were just pretty dramatic. We went well above where we were expecting to be on the entire day, and opened pretty strong at around 57.80, just shy of 57.80. And as soon as we opened, took a quick tick or two above the overnight highs and immediately started retracing. And 7 minutes into the day, we had a couple of points here that to be made. Basically, took our first little retreat, started going back up, and that was just an indication that we're going to do a 150, 161% extension to the downside. And a few minutes later, we actually crossed over that 150% time ratio as well and took out those lows, but didn't quite get to the 200% extension. So that's the first indication that all right, well, we may be off to the top side, and sure enough, here we go. So after we took out the overnight highs again, and we're now trading up through the 123 extension, just basically based off of this first half an hour worth of trading. What this actually showed us is something that came into effect later on in the day. If we did this 150, 161% extension to the downside, pretty good chance we're going to have the same extension going to the upside. Now, after we did this 30-minute analysis here, what was our range based on the first 30 minutes? It took until 2 o'clock this afternoon, but we did finally hit that extension to the upside off that first 30-minute range. So these blue lines or purple, whatever they might be, showing up on your screen, these are actually Fibonacci time ratios as well. So the market definitely leaves patterns, and it does this not only on the short time frames, like we're looking at the 1 minute time frame right here based on what's happened since the New York Open this morning, but this actually has a very similar effect on a daily, a weekly, a monthly, and even an annual effect as well. So whenever we look at these markets over the long term, we've got some pretty strong indications that we're very quickly approaching the end of a extension to the top side, and our market could be turning. We've actually got 12 indicators that are out there. A lot of people have heard about the 2 and 10 bond indication that whenever those 2 and 10 year bonds are inverted, meaning that you're getting paid a higher rate for shorter term, that became uninverted here just over the last 30 days or so, as well as some people have now heard about the SOM rule. Those are two big indicators that whenever the SOM rule goes into effect, it has to do with unemployment rising. Whenever it rises fairly quickly over a 12-month period of time, it says, okay, we've got a recession incoming. So if you've got a business and you're out here in the market and you're starting to notice a little bit of hesitation from your customers, a little bit of maybe smaller tickets going out, you're starting to feel that incoming recession. I'd be happy to talk to you about that. There is a couple of people that I work with. They can help you kind of hold your hand, see if you might be able to qualify before this funding period goes away. We've got some fairly easy money that's out here in the market right now. Private equity has made money available to small business owners. I basically deal with anybody that's in that $1 million to $5 million market. If you've got annual sales that are between 1 and 20 million, maybe even up to 30 million or so. I've dealt with customers that have a $50 million a year business. That's not my norm. So if you've got a business that's doing 100,000 or more a month, love to talk to you, see if you can qualify for a little bit of extra capital, maybe help you get you through the slow period that we're about to head into. Recessions can be anywhere from 3 months to 3 years. Who knows how long this one's going to be. It seems like we are well overextended, though. So if I can help you out, let me know. Give me a call. Send me an email. Be happy to talk with you. Don't do a whole lot of face-to-face with people anymore, but the people that are inviting seem like I might be able to get along with, like these guys here I'm going to meet here this afternoon. Can definitely make some time to meet with people, but happy to do Zoom calls and phone calls, whatever I can do to help. Thanks a lot, everybody. Have a great day. Hopefully we'll see you again tomorrow.